Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. Guys, there's only 3 more months left until 2020 is over. This is actually my favorite time of the year, the holiday season. I shine. I really enjoy the holidays. I love Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. Today's video is going to be my first video of my little decorating holiday season series. I always like to decorate for the holidays here in the studio. Don't get me twisted. For Halloween, I don't come in here and put bright purple and orange right in your face. No, I like to decorate a little bit more minimal and a little bit more aesthetically pleasing to the color palette that's already in my studio. So pinks, whites, creams, blacks, those are the colors that I stick to. And for Christmas, I also like to decorate, but not red and white. Well, white, yes, because I already have a lot of white in my studio, but it's more of like a pink Christmas aesthetic. You guys can definitely decorate whatever aesthetic you have in your studio, so don't think if your studio is more of like the blue and white, you have to add orange to have like the Halloween vibe. You definitely don't. You can paint your pumpkins light blue, dark blue to fit the aesthetic, and that's what I do. Like a lot of the stuff that I bought are like bright orange, and then I just painted it like a color to be a little bit more toned down and fit the vibe. So like I said, this is my first video. It's going to be, of course, decorating for Halloween. I'm also going to be doing a video for Thanksgiving, like more fall vibes, taking away like the skulls and the spider webs and adding more leaves and keeping the pumpkins, because pumpkins of course are still Thanksgiving vibes. And I'll have one for Christmas. I bring in like a miniature tree. I don't have a big studio, you guys know, so I don't have like a place to have like a huge tree, but I do have like a miniature tree that I bought at Target last year. It's white, and then I do like candy canes. Like I'll show you guys, it's super duper cute. And then I'll also be doing my Christmas gifts. I'll show you guys what I'm doing, and I already have some people reaching out to me to do custom orders for them. So if you guys want me to do custom orders for your clients, if you have not watched my video and you do not know what I'm talking about, I'm doing cold cups for my clients and doing them personalized to each guest, like adding their name, and then you guys can go in and add like whatever you feel like is best inside. Maybe a lipstick, a face mask, a lip mask, spoolies, whatever you feel like your client will appreciate. That's what you guys can do. Maybe like a little candle. So I'll do that video as well for Christmas, like doing my Christmas gifts and like decorating it and adding it under the Christmas tree. But let's get into today's video. I did the 3 stores that I always go to, or 4 stores, is Dollar Tree. Everything's $1, but those, it's a little bit harder in there because not everything's like already super aesthetically pleasing. You have to have like a little bit more imagination, and there's so many YouTube videos, TikToks, so many videos out there that could give you so many ideas, like different ideas of how you can decorate. But I didn't want to do nothing major. Like I said, I just want to keep it a little bit minimal. So I went in there. I also always go to the thrift store. Like they're acrylic, not acrylic, but ceramic, they're glass, they're like presenting ware or whatever you would call it, like the platters. You can put like aftercare on there, or you can just have other random stuff. Is really affordable. Like something that I've seen, like let's say at TJ Maxx for like $15-30 around there, I'll find at the thrift store for like $5. And another store, of course, Target. I love Target. I go in there for things that are already like super aesthetic, but they are a little bit more pricey. And Michael's. I go into Michael's to do like more crafty stuff, or just to get like the other little knickknacks. So let me show you what I got. At Dollar Tree, I found this little basket for $1, and it was bright orange. I spray painted it black, and now this will fit anyone's aesthetic. I think it's really cute to put candy in here, like Halloween candy. Right there, I usually have like mints. I brought those in for Christmas. I don't remember what year, and they're just so delicious. I just kept them all year round. They melt in your mouth and they taste really good. I also have water for my guests, so whenever we get done, if they're thirsty or if they want like a little snack, they could get that stuff right there with like extra mascara wands if they want to take some. So I'm going to be adding Halloween candy here and adding it there, so whenever my guests get done getting their lashes done, they could get like a little sweet treat. I found these at Target. I got these last year as well for the studio and people loved them. I also had Twix that were white packaging. That's the only reason I got them, because they were white packaging and they tasted actually really good. So this time I couldn't find the Twix. I think I have to go to Kroger to find them, but I'm gonna open these up and add them to the basket and put them back there. I also got all these little knickknacks at the dollar store. So this was super bright orange and I painted pink. I also got this little ghost. I think these two are gonna be super cute to just have like on my little cubby. And I also got like little skulls. This was like in a pack, but they were kind of like brownish, grayish, and I just spray painted some white, some pink, and some black to just sprinkle around the studio, so anytime my client looks somewhere and they see a little skull, they could get the Halloween vibes. This cute little double pumpkin ceramic decoration I found at the thrift store. It was priced at $2, but when I seen it, it had some little nicks on it, and I asked the cashier if I could get a discount. She ended up giving it to me for $1. It was bright orange, so I had my nephew and my daughter help me paint it. They painted it a muted pink and a creamy white, to fit the aesthetic. At Target, I found some really cute pumpkins. The orange on them is not like super bright in your face. It's more of like a muted orange, and I really liked that. The material on them is like a sweater material. I feel like this can stay for Thanksgiving as well. Look how cute they are. I found these paper straws at Target and they're so cute. They have like little skulls and little bones. What I do with them is I will cut them and then cover like the mascara wand part whenever I'm giving my client their mascara wand, and it's so cute. I feel like this is just gonna get them in the Halloween spirit, you know? Last but not least, I went to Michael's. Never ever shop at Michael's without going on their website and getting the coupon from there. They always have a coupon like 40%, 50%, 20%. Never ever go to Michael's without going to their website and getting their coupon. I had to say it twice because don't ever shop at Michael's without getting their coupon. Okay, so I got this little runner for my checking out table, the table where I have like my aftercare and all that good stuff. I'm not sure if it's way too long for it. You'll see with me in a little bit, but I got it. It looks like this, super cool. Looks like Halloween vibes. I keep saying Halloween vibes, but you know that this video is going to be Halloween vibes. I'm just so excited. I also got these little witch hats because why not? And then I got these cute little decals to put on my mirror, and then I might even put some on the mirror where I give my guest. No, these bats are a little bit too big. I'm just gonna keep it to this mirror, and that is it. Everything came out perfect, exactly how I imagined it. The witches hats were a little bit too long for where I wanted them. I got them at Michael's, remember? So I trimmed them and I put 3 little hats over here by where I lash, so I can just have some spooky Halloween season vibes right by me. Everything just looks good. The orange is not too crazy in your face. It kind of matches the aesthetic and the vibe in here. I really hope you guys enjoyed and you got some tips and tricks and you guys started to feel the Halloween vibes, because I love Halloween. But other than that, if you enjoyed, don't forget to share this video with a lash friend. Let's share the lash love. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. Also, if you stuck all the way to the end, I wanted to mention my matte lipstick. I didn't want to say it in the beginning of the video because I didn't want you staring at it this whole time, but I hate matte lipstick. But for the holiday, like the fall season, I always try to put a matte lipstick on and then I hate it and I regret it and I just want to like rip it and wipe it off. Yeah, so if you stuck to the end, you know, comment down below if you hate matte lipstick too. But other than that, you can click my face to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. Love you. Bye.